Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and conclude on the last episodes of Uthando Nesthembu. So now these are the episodes that I made on TikTok that I shared with the people on my TikTok page. So enjoy them and tell me what you think about Uthando Nesthembu. Do leave a comment, but most of all, please, please, please subscribe. Let us get to 8,000 subscribers. Before ke robala ke tseya matla re bolele ka Mangwabe. Did you guys hear gore le dichomi a di tshepe gore Mangwabe wa tsamaya? Like le di BFF ba ra wa chomi wena o tsamaye, like Paula a o ifelo o dutse mo ba bona ukuthi uthi hayi he ngiyahamba he musa ing ba ra hayi uthi ing enhle krapela ga yona. Pray about it. Mara ke ugel uthi yena Johnny Mtsamaye okwakhe mara abangani bathi sorry, we ain't seeing it. Like a re bone. Yes, wena wa tshoro wa tsamaya but rona re dichomi tsa hao a re o bone betha Johnny Walker dichomi.